This video will show you how to reset the engine oil life monitor on a Mazda 3. This will be done from inside of your passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Let's get started on the reset procedure. To do this, we're going to put the key in the on position, so I'm pressing the power button once. Let's focus on the infotainment screen next. In this area, of course, we're going to agree, we're not moving. Now that we're in this area, we're going to make our way all the way over towards this left side here. We'll press on this for applications. Vehicle status monitor. Maintenance. We're going to start up here at the scheduled maintenance. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can make your settings. How long do you want to go? How far do you want to go? We use synthetic oil, we can go 5,000 miles. Go ahead and reset it. Are you sure? We're sure. At this point, it's been reset. Make your way back to the home screen and turn off key power. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.